Gusto mo rin ba ng work from home job this 2025? Paano ko sabihin ko sa yung meron na naman ako na-discover na company na pwede ang non-voice and at the same time, pwede ang no experience. Welcome back to my channel. This is Kuya Ren. For today's video, let's talk about this company na nag-o-offer ng work from home job at meron pong non-voice. Bukod sa chat support na ino-offer nila, meron din sila para sa mga gusto ng General Virtual Assistant position and Executive Virtual Assistant position. Make sure to finish this video until end dahil mamimigay pa rin tayo ng Pulpo Ignite headphone na magagamit ninyo pang work from home. Kaya kung bago ka lang sa channel ko, don't forget to like this video at i-click yung subscribe button at yung notification bell para updated ka pa sa mga paparating kong videos. Pero bago ang lahat, shoutout muna sa nanalo ng 500 Gcash na nakaraang video natin. Kung gusto mo rin manalo, comment sa baba kung gaano ka pogi si Kuya Ren. Without further ado, let's get started. Thank you for calling customer service. Another day, another vlog. Welcome back sa channel ng mga swabe. This is Kuya Renny Boy. Nagbabalik na naman natin yung lingkod para magatid sa inyo ng mga work from home opportunities. You know guys, I'm so excited to introduce to you this company na napaka-solid guys. Especially kung gusto mag-work from home, gusto mo maging virtual assistant kahit wala kang experience, kung gusto mo rin ng non-voice, this company is a must try. Pero syempre bago ang lahat, survey muna tayo. Sa mga naghahanap ng work from home job, comment sa baba work from home. Sa mga naghahanap naman ng call center job na Tagalog, comment sa baba local account. Ang company na tinutukoy ko ngayon ay walang iba kundi si Magic Assistants. Si Magic VA guys ay isa pong company or virtual assistant agency na nagpo-provide ng global talent sa kanilang mga clients. And good news guys, since patok na po ang mga work from home job dito sa Pilipinas, palagi po silang kumukuha. Okay, yung company ng Magic, kumukuha po sila ng mga Filipino virtual assistant para magtrabaho sa kumpanya nila. And pumunta ka sa video na to or kinlik mo to dahil naghanap ka rin ng non-voice, lagi rin po silang hiring ng mga chat support position. So tara guys, bisitahin natin yung website nila. Punta lang kayo sa magic.com or getmagic.com. Okay? Punta nyo dyan guys, click nyo lang yung get started. Tapos, piliin nyo lang po yung become an assistant. Okay? Click nyo lang yung next. Tapos, pupunta po kayo doon sa pinaka-interface kung saan pwede po kayo mamili kung anong posisyon yung a-apply ninyo. And since nag-apply po kayo bilang isang virtual assistant and kung wala po kayo masyadong experience, mas maganda po mag-research na po tayo ngayon pa lang or panoorin ninyo yung mga tips ni Kuya Renny Boy. Meron tayong playlist dyan, ilalagay ko na lang. Dito pa lang guys sa current opportunities, makikita nyo agad tatlong option. Merong live chat customer support, meron ding Magic Assistant, and meron din pong Magic Experience Executive Assistant. Okay? Dito guys, kailangan na po nila is yung mga meron ng experience para sa mga gusto ng Executive Virtual Assistant position. Since ikaw gusto mo ng non-voice, pwede mong i-click ngayon yung Live Chat Customer Support. Okay? Pag-click nyo yan, pag-click ninyo ng Learn More, makikita ninyo dyan guys yung mga qualification. Okay? Kung ano nga ba yung mga tinatanggap dito sa kumpanya nila. Okay, we are looking for proactive, service-oriented people for full-time live chat customer support positions. If you are comfortable interacting with customers by computer and pay close attention to details, then you may be a great fit for this role. Okay? And then, ang compensation daw dito ay $5 per hour. Workplace type, fully remote. Okay? 100% work from home. Key responsibilities: responding to customer inquiries and resolving their issues through live chat in a timely and a professional manner, providing accurate and helpful information about products, services, and company policies. So, yung mga usual na ginagawa ng isang chat support. Okay? Assisting customers with placing orders, troubleshooting, escalating, maintaining a comprehensive knowledge base of company products, services, and policies, proactively identifying and addressing customer concerns or issues to prevent potential escalation, building rapport, collaborating, staying, etc., etc., bullet by bullet, check nyo na lang. Minimum qualifications: 2 years of live chat customer support experience in the BPO or remote, okay, virtual assistant setting. Proficient in written and spoken English. Experience using help desk software and other remote support tools. Familiarity with different CRM tools. At least 1 year of experience as a team leader, supervisor, SME, Amazon, CSR, quality analyst. Experience in the BPO is a plus. Has own work from home equipment available to start ASAP. So, pag nag-apply daw po kayo sa position na to, not literally, dapat meron kayong virtual assistant experience. Okay? Pero at least meron daw po kayong BPO experience, at least 2 years na nagla-live chat kayo. Kaya kung ikaw ay meron ng BPO experience na medyo related sa pagiging chat support, pwede po kayo mag-try or mag-apply dito. So, mas maganda daw guys, pamilyar nyo yung sarili niyo sa mga CRM tools and aralin din ninyo mas maganda yung mga Microsoft Office tsaka yung mga Google products. Okay? Kasi mas maganda na meron tayong alam bago tayo mag-apply. And napaka-importante, alam naman natin sa mga gusto ng work from home, proficient in written and spoken English. Hindi naman sobrang fluent, pero at least nakakaintindi ka at naiintindihan ka. Okay? So, kailangan po nila available to start ASAP. Kung kaya ninyo mag-start as soon as possible, pwede na po kayong mag-apply dito kay Magic Company. Basic work from home equipment requirements, laptop or desktop, computer that can run web browsing, spreadsheet, and communication software. At least Intel i5 or equivalent or mas mataas. 8 GB RAM or higher, mas mataas. Stable internet connection, preferably at least 50 Mbps, working camera and headset for video calls, backups like mobile data, generator, UPS, or workspace to go to during power outages. Okay? Benefits of working through Magic: earn as much as 40,000 pesos every month. Fully remote work. Opportunities to work with various projects. Amazing assistant support. We have a dedicated support team that you can ask questions along the way. Okay, about Magic. Magic matches talented remote assistants working from home with awesome clients, including startups, small businesses, and independent professionals located all over the world. So, kung gusto niyo mag-try or gusto niyo mag-work bilang isang chat support, dito kay Magic VA, pwede na niyo pong i-click yung link dyan sa baba. So, punta naman tayo dito sa Magic Assistant. Click natin yung Learn More. Okay? Kapag gusto niyo mag-apply bilang isang General Virtual Assistant, dito kay Magic, okay, looking din po sila. Okay? Nakalagay dito guys yung mga steps kung paano mag-apply. Mag-create daw po kayo ng profile. Tatapusin niyo yung assessment. Find a quiet and conducive environment to focus on the assessment. Avoid using your mobile phone during the test. To begin the assessment, simply click on the link below. Make sure na laptop or computer po yung gagamitin niyo while taking the test. Hindi ko na ipapakita yung mismong interface nung pinaka-assessment nila to show respect, pero yun, bisitahin nyo na lang. Ito lang naman yung requirements or qualification. Typing test nila at least 35 words per minute. Overall score, at least 75%. Complete nyo lang daw yung language assessment. As part of your selection process, we require candidates to take a language test to assess their proficiency. Okay, kumpletuhin nyo lang yan. Meron ding link dito. And then step 4, book an interview with us. Okay, step number 5, get hired. Congratulations, you're almost there. Our team will review your application assessment results and interview performance. If you meet our requirements, we'll extend an offer for you to join our team. So hopefully guys, makapasa po kayo sa pag-apply dito kay Magic VA. So employment type, freelance pa rin. Location, Philippines. Workplace type, fully remote. And then compensation is $5 per hour. Key responsibilities here are some tasks that demonstrate the diverse range of responsibilities a Magic Executive Assistant can handle, including administrative, research, customer support, and sales-related tasks, managing emails, responding to inquiries. Yun, alam niyo yun, yung mga typical na trabaho ng isang VA, scheduling appointments, managing calendars. Yan po. Kaya, mas maganda guys, bago po tayo mag-apply talaga, mag-practice at mag-aral. So, kahit wala tayong experience sa ganitong uri ng trabaho, kapag in-interview tayo, alam po natin yung isasagot natin at alam po natin ang ginagawa ng isang virtual assistant. So, sa pagiging Magic Assistant, general qualification nila is excellent English communication skills, both verbal and written. Has the ability to project a professional tone for over-the-phone interviews. Capable of building rapport and nurturing relationships with client. Clear availability and commitment to the work schedule without conflicting obligation, US work hours, ang Philippine night shift. Siyempre kapag mag-work tayo sa mga western, kailangan talaga familiar tayo sa mga time zone. Okay po yung katawan natin or yung body clock natin na makasabay sa kanila. Available to work full-time. Has work-from-home equipment, laptop or desktop computer that can run web browsing, spreadsheet, and communication software, Intel i3 or AMD Ryzen 1300 processor or equivalent or mas mataas, mas maganda, 4 GB RAM, pwede na. Diba, napaka-solid. Stable internet connection, preferably at least 5 Mbps, headset for video calls. May nabanggit ba na kailangan ng virtual assistant experience? Wala. So, meaning to say, pwede mag-apply bilang isang Magic Assistant or Magic Virtual Assistant kahit wala pong experience dito sa company nila. So, ang kailangan lang po ng experience na BPO for live chat, at least 2 years, is dun sa live chat na support nila. And then sa executive assistant position, yun po, kailangan din po nila ng experience doon. So, hindi ko na-specify yung pang executive assistant kasi required doon na meron kang experience. Pero siguro in the future, pag-usapan natin yan. Kung gusto mo rin pag-usapan yan, comment sa baba, executive assistant. Okay? So, click nyo lang yung apply now. Kung ready na kayo, kung prepared na kayo, sa tingin ninyo qualified na kayo makapasa, ito po yung makikita ninyo. Idadalhin po kayo nyan sa pinaka-application form nila. So, kung wala pa kayong LinkedIn account, buha na kayo, kumpletuhin ninyo lahat ng mga field dito, ng mga information ninyo para makapag-proceed kayo dun sa next step. Okay? So, ganun lang guys. Hopefully, makapasa po kayo sa pag-apply nyo dito kay Magic. So, that's it for today's video. Sana makapasa kayo guys sa pag-apply ninyo bilang isang virtual assistant. Let's claim it guys. Comment sa baba kung naniniwala kayo na magiging virtual assistant kayo this 2025. Comment sa baba. Kaya ko rin maging VA. And dahil umabot ko sa part ng video na to, mamimigay pa rin tayo ng ating Coolpo Ignite headphone na magagamit ninyo pang work from home. Napaka-solid guys ng AI noise cancelling feature nito. Para manalo, mag-follow lang kayo and subscribe sa ating mga social media platform, YouTube, TikTok, and Facebook, at mag-comment sa baba, #Kuya Reniboy. So, mamimili na lang ako guys na nag-hashtag Kuya Reniboy sa baba ha, kung sino po yung bibigyan natin ng noise cancelling headphone. And sa lahat ng mga hindi pa ready maging virtual assistant, kinakabahan kung paano sila mag-uumpisa, meron tayong virtual assistant training kung saan marami na po nakapasa, marami na nakakuha ng client, and hopefully, ikaw na yung susunod. Ang gagawin nyo lang is, comment sa baba ng #scholar at i-click ninyo yung registration form dyan sa description sa baba, or ilalagay ko na lang sa comment section. Ito po ang inclusion ng ating virtual assistant training. Marami po kayo matututunan. Kumbaga, hindi po kayo kakabahan na hindi kayo makakasabay. Kasi guys, tuturuan namin kayo na pang beginner talaga. Yung tipong hindi nyo iisipin na hindi nyo kayang makasabay kasi yung pagtuturo namin dito guys is pang beginner talaga. Pero kung gusto niyo ng advance, meron din naman, meron tayong ESL kung hindi pa kayo ganun kagaling mag-English. Napakaraming option. Click nyo na lang yung link dyan sa baba. So, meron po kayo makukuha certificate. Meron po kayong access sa ating private community, mga GC, pwede po kayong makipag-communicate doon, at meron po kayong kopya ng recorded video lesson. Lahat ng mga pinag-aaralan ninyo, magkakaroon kayo ng kopya niya na pwede ninyong panoorin kahit graduate na kayo. So, congratulations po sa lahat ng graduate no nakaraang batch, and hopefully ikaw na yung susunod na makakasama namin sa aming online training, mapa call center training yan or virtual assistant training, sagot ka namin. Shoutout sa lahat na nagpapa-shoutout. God bless us all.